Caterpillar and Deere in the red today after Wells Fargo downgraded both stocks to a market perform rating. The firm saying that U.S. construction demand is at or probably near its peak and will likely begin to slow in 2020. It is your call of the day. So again, Joe, it's not a knock on Cat and Deere. The analyst says they're optimistic long term, and especially on Caterpillar, they like the dividend yield. I think it's 3.1%. But they just said maybe the peak is near for construction equipment sales.
For construction equipment, to me, the best play is AGCO. You get the exposure to Brazil. I think that's the best company. I disagree with this call, though. I think Deere and Caterpillar longer term will be okay. I also believe if there is some form of a trade interim resolution, a lot of it will be centered on ag. And there will be a benefit where you'll see increased plantings and the need for more equipment. So I disagree with that call. I think that call that they're making here is probably a little bit 6 to 12 months too late.
Okay.
So, Brian, I own Caterpillar, and I disagree with the call, but it's not a stupid call. Look, if we keep muddling through a scatterbrained approach to trade, we will get a recession, and stocks like Caterpillar will go down. The problem is this stock is generating a lot of cash. So if you want to be short this, the downside is a lot less than the upside is when you consider that at the last quarter they bought back on net 5% of the shares outstanding year over year. They increased their dividend by a meaningful amount just a few months ago. So let's just say that we give a 50-50 chance of China being resolved. Okay. If that's the case, you've got much more upside than you have downside. It will go down if China is not resolved by the end of the year. Your probability weighted expected return is positive on CAT. Deere, AGCO, I'll leave that to you, Joe. I just don't want to be in the agriculture, but you can have that trade. I have no issue with it.
Is it a 50-50 chance that we get a deal, guys? Margaret, what do you think? Is it that high? Yeah.
I mean, that's what the market's trying to anticipate here. So I'd
every
say
day,
it's a black box, and when we're going to get the next tweet.
Moving on all the tweets, moving on all the comments.